Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a collection carousel slider to your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to visually organize and highlight your collections, thereby making it easier for your customers to browse through your offerings. Collection carousels are especially effective for stores with multiple product categories, seasonal promotions, or featured collections you want to bring immediate attention to. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to the site editor within your Shopify dashboard. The site editor is an essential tool that allows you to customize your store's appearance and layout to your liking, all without needing to write any code. This makes it perfect for beginners and advanced users alike who want fast visual control over their store design. Once you're in the site editor, you'll see a variety of options to modify different aspects of your store, including your homepage layout, product pages, and theme sections. What we'll be doing today is adding a section, so go ahead and click on Add Section. This step prepares the ground for seamlessly incorporating new features into your store's existing structure and helps you build a more engaging shopping experience. After clicking Add Section, you'll be met with a search bar that allows you to find the specific feature you're looking to add. Go ahead and type in Collection List Carousel into that search file. This is a special feature designed to elegantly showcase your store's collections in a carousel format, making navigation not only easy for your customers but also visually appealing, especially on mobile devices where horizontal scrolling feels very natural. As we late content, we see every single app left in. As we work on your site, we see all work right. And we start with the list of available options. Select it to place it on your site. End of the night's wavering time. The carousel slider will now become part of your web page, ready to be customized to suit your needs. At this point, you can also reposition the carousel within your page layout by dragging it up or down, depending on where you want it to appear for maximum visibility. With the carousel now placed in your store, the next step is to fine-tune it to display exactly what you want. Click on the newly added carousel, and you'll see its properties and customization settings appear on the right panel of your screen. This panel is your gateway to tweaking various features, from choosing which collections to highlight to defining the aesthetic appeal of your slider, such as spacing, alignment, and visibility. Among the properties, you'll find an option labeled Collections. This is where we will specify which collection you wish to feature in your carousel. Click on Select next to the Collections option. From here, you are prompted to choose from the existing collections within your store. This selection process allows you to pick any products or themes you want to highlight, whether it's a seasonal sale, a best-selling category, or a new line of products that just arrived. Select the collection that best fits your current focus or marketing strategy. And just like that, you've successfully added and customized a collection carousel slider on your Shopify store. As a pro tip, try limiting the number of collections in your carousel to keep it clean and focused, and always prioritize collections that support your current promotions or business goals. This small enhancement can make a huge difference in how your store visitors engage with your products. Not only does it streamline the browsing experience, but it also draws more attention to specific collections you wish to highlight, helping guide customers toward the products you want them to see first. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that your newly added carousel slider contributes to an enhanced shopping experience for your customers. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips, tutorials, and growth strategies. Thanks for watching.